Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 19th of November. And first of all, national news. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud to meet lawyers opposing Gujarat judge transfer. India tops South Asia in cannabis seizure, UN Office on Drugs and Crime. National Human Rights Body reconstitutes 13-member core team. NGOs. Kargil war hero Deep Chand, actor Mona Ambega Onkar joined Congress Bharat Jodo Yatra. 25 students fall ill after gas leak at college lab in Hyderabad, a report said. Supreme Court issued notice on play challenging selection process of civil judges. Free trade agreement as soon as possible. Rishi Sunak details his talk with PM Modi. US visa processing expected to reach pre-pandemic levels in 2023. Will act as bridge between center and state. New Bengal governor. Supreme Court rejected pleas on two-child norm for controlling population. India used she, her to refer to all genders for first time in draft law. Language of this court is English. Supreme Court to litigant who argued in Hindi. Old pension scheme approved by Cabinet, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann said. India's Chief Election Commissioner reached Nepal as poll observer. BJP Samajwadi Party in direct contest in key UP elections in 3 seats. Keeping stray dogs doesn't mean Supreme Court cautions pet honor. And now international news. Patience being tested. Russia hit out at US over North Korea's missile launch. Traces of explosives found near damaged Nord Stream pipelines, Sweden. As RIP Twitter trended, Elon Musk tweets cryptic burial photo and black pirate flag emoji. North Korea's missile had range to reach United States, Japan. Stop destabilizing acts. Kamala Harris, world leaders' message to North Korea. China likely to resume Belt and Road Forum next year, Xi Jinping. Ukraine war is your problem too, France President Macron told to Asian countries. North Korea's long range missile fell in Japan's exclusive waters, PM Kishida. FBI director very concerned by Chinese police stations in US. UN nuclear watchdog voiced grave concern over Russia Ukraine nuke sites. Nancy Pelosi said she won't seek leadership role in next Congress. Russia banned entry to 100 Canadians including Jim Carrey in new sanctions. And now sports news. India versus New Zealand, first T20 international called off due to rain. Denmark will not be silenced over human rights in Qatar, says coach. Manika Batra became first Indian woman to reach Asian Cup table tennis semifinals. Meltwater Champion Tour finals, Arjun Erigesi posted first win, Pragnananda losses. Lewis Hamilton heads George Russell as Mercedes duo top opening practice in Abu Dhabi. Max Verstappen attacked media for sickening reports. Spain replaced injured left back Jose Gaya with Barca's Alejandro Balde for World Cup. Former Sri Lanka captain Arjun Ranatunga ordered to pay in defamation case. Now news related to business. Sensex fall over 80 points, extending losses for second straight day. Rupee nearly flat at 81.69, even as dollar heads for weekly gains. Finance Minister urged Asian Bank to increase funding in smart technologies. India's forex reserve rise to $544.72 billion, registered fastest pace since August 2021. Indian economy to grow by 6.1 to 6.3% in July to September, RBI. There is enough supply. Ministry denied any shortage of fertilizers. India's macroeconomic outlook resilient but sensitive to global headwinds. RBI. Reserve Bank of India sold net $10.36 billion in spot forex market in September. Employees with less than 6 months left in service can withdraw pension. Center raised maximum tenure of public sector bank CEO to 10 years. Not super worried, Elon Musk after reports of hundreds of employees quitting Twitter. Now, news from science and technology. Scientists rediscover black-napped pheasant pigeon lost for 140 years. Vikram S, India's first private rocket, successfully launched into space by Skyroot Aerospace. SpaceX employees fired for criticizing Elon Musk, accused firm of violating US labor law. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 1st November in New Delhi will reach to 26 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 13 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.